Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Apple Watch. First, you will learn to pair your watch with your iPhone, a simple process taking just a few moments. Then, we will explore the essential controls, like the digital crown and side button, which are crucial for navigating menus and apps. Finally, discover how to personalize your watch face, choosing from hundreds of styles and complications to display information important to you, making your device truly yours. Navigating your Apple Watch is intuitive once you know the key gestures. Swiping up from the watch face reveals the control center, offering quick access to essential settings like airplane mode or do not disturb. Swiping down shows your notifications, keeping you informed without needing your phone. A press of the digital crown will always take you back to your watch face or the app layout, making it easy to find your way around. Your Apple Watch is a powerful health and fitness companion. It encourages you to close 3 activity rings daily: move, exercise, and stand, helping you stay active. You can also monitor your heart rate continuously, providing valuable insights into your cardiovascular health during rest and activity. Furthermore, the Blood Oxygen app allows you to measure your blood oxygen saturation, offering another layer of wellness tracking right from your wrist. Beyond the basics, your Apple Watch offers advanced features for convenience and personalization. The innovative double tap gesture allows for one-handed interaction, letting you answer calls or stop timers with ease. Setting up Apple Pay transforms your watch into a secure payment method, enabling quick transactions almost anywhere. Don't forget to explore the built-in App Store to discover and download new applications, expanding your watch's capabilities even further.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.